How to change an email ID on a Facebook page. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change an email ID on a Facebook page. First, go to the Facebook account on your web browser. Now click the profile icon in the top right corner to navigate your Facebook page. Once on the page, go to the profile icon and select Settings and Privacy. Furthermore, click the Settings option. On the left side panel, go to Page Details. In Page Details, scroll down the contact info and then click Add Email. Next, provide a new email address in the given field to use it across all accounts. When you're done, click Save to apply changes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.